In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fortune City app to track your spending and grow a fun virtual city while managing your finances. Every time you lag an expense, Fortune City rewards you by building a new structure in your virtual town. You simply enter the amount, select a category, and hit save. The more consistent you are, the more city grows. Each building represents a category like food, travel, or health. This turns daily budgeting into a visual and interactive experience. You can check your spending trends with helpful charts and set budgeting goals to stay on track. It breaks down your expenses weekly or monthly for easy review. There are option premium features like syncing with other apps, customizing categories, and unlocking exclusive buildings for your city. Fortune City makes budgeting feel like a game, helping you stay motivated and organized without the usual stress of finance apps. So, if you found this guide helpful, drop a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.